Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Freedom Channel, where we make your money work hard for you. So today I want to talk about why I love apartment buildings as an investment. But first, I recently read a book by Gary Vee called Crushing It. And I just think it's so cool that with a smartphone, this little lapel microphone, and a tripod, I can create videos that anyone in the world can watch. Like, we are living in an incredible time for entrepreneurs to share whatever message we want to share. So I just think that's really cool. I think everybody should be making videos on YouTube. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so today I want to talk about why I love apartments. So the first thing I want to do, if you guys haven't seen the cash flow quadrant from Robert Kiyosaki, it's going to help understand why I love apartments so much. So the first quadrant is entrepreneurs, okay? Second quadrant is the self-employed. Third quadrant is businesses. And the fourth quadrant is investors. Now, these are four ways that people can make money, okay? Now I want you to notice on the left side, employees are people who make money by trading their time to do something for an employer. That's how they make money. So over here, trading time for dollars, okay? That's how they make money. Self-employed. So they make money by building a business around themselves, okay? So these people are doing the same thing. They're trading time for money. They're very similar. Up here, these are businesses where, it's not someone who's really good at something and that's what the business becomes. It's not like a specialist, like a lawyer or a doctor. That's self-employed. So the business owners, they make money through other people's time and other people's money. So they've created a system, a business system that makes them money. So they're not trading their own time for money. They're trading other people's time for money. Now, the I is investors. So they're doing the same thing. They're trading other people's money for more money. They're also trading other people's time for money. Okay? Now, the interesting thing is on the left side, the employees and the self-employed, they are paying much more in taxes. So they're losing time, they're trading time for money, and they're paying more of that money in taxes. This sounds like a not so great place to be. Over here, they're using less of their own time and they're paying less in taxes. So here's why I love apartments. Now, business. An apartment is a business. You've got people using their time, not your own time. You've got brokers. You've got property managers. You've got lenders who are doing work for you. They're underwriting your deals because they don't want to lend you money if it's a bad deal. So they're watching your back. You've got contractors if you're doing rehab, if you're improving units. You've got contractors. You've got landscapers, taking care of the grounds. You've got cleaning crews. You've got all of these people doing work for you. That's their time, other people's time. Other people's money. Obviously, you've got lenders. You know, if you're forming a syndication to buy an apartment building, you're going to have other people's money through other investors, you know, passive investors. So an apartment is a business. So you're on the right side of the quadrant there, and it's an investment. So you're utilizing both of these quadrants. How is it an investment? Well, you probably know how it's an investment. We've got cash flow. You know, every month, the money that's coming in, you know, after you make the mortgage payment, that's cash flow. That goes to the investors. That goes to the active and passive investors in the property. You've got appreciation. Equity building as the loan gets paid down. You've got more equity that you can actually use to buy other properties with. Tax benefits through depreciation. We've got inflation-induced. That didn't work out very well. Inflation-induced debt destruction. Which means over time, inflation actually works to your benefit because the amount of money, well, look it up. Jason Hartman has some great videos on YouTube about inflation-induced debt destruction. It's another advantage of borrowing money to buy rental properties. So, guys, this is why I love apartments. It's a business and it's an investment. So you get benefits from both of those quadrants. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. I'm currently digging into apartment deals in Las Vegas. I'm going to tell you in a future video why I picked Vegas and how I'm narrowing down to neighborhood level in Vegas to really zoom in on where I want to be buying these apartments. So anyway, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you very soon. Thanks.